Our nature has been lost. Every evening there is a red sky, as if standing with trees, chirping birds, and a street of forest. All of those are so beautiful. I could never forget when morning came. I saw the sun. I approached the river. I hear the birds singing clearly. I felt the cold water. I felt an enormous nature. When minutes began to change and I grew up, I immediately went to reach a sky. When I came back, I think there is something wrong. The nature is not like before. Green changed to red, clear changed to dark, stream become dry, church changed into stone. My nature has changed. I could no longer hear the chirp. I did not even feel the cold. I just feel hot and irate. My nature has broken. The make caused by our